those you see at the background, the nurses you see around are all psychiatric nurses. In fact, as the president for the Ghana Nurse Midwife Training Association, it has come to our notice that the psychiatric nurses since 2013 that we completed school have not been posted, have not been given employment till now. We had our national service done 2014 and ended December 2014. But up till now, we've still not been cleared. Whenever we follow up, we come to the Ministry of Finance, Ministry of Health, or we even come to the Mental Health Authority, that's Accra Mental. Whenever we come here, they tell us that clearance have not been released by the Ministry of Finance. They are always working on it. Since January this year until now, they are working on the clearance. So we've been very patient. We've decided that, okay, we will respect our authority. We will wait for them. We've waited for them from January, February, March, April, up till now. We've still not been cleared. Meanwhile, general nurses and midwives have been posted, and they are going to work. They are filling their salary forms to get posted or to get paid. Meanwhile, we psychiatric nurses have not even been cleared, let alone be posted. Private nurses who are not even public health nurses have been employed, or some of them have been posted. And we have evidence of all those things. We don't know what is happening in Ghana. Public health, even the only 2 psychiatric nursing schools in Ghana, Panta and Ankafo, only 152 in number, yet we've not been cleared. It is very bad.
So what are you going to do now?
Very well. Right now, the association have been petitioned by the psychiatric group that they have not been posted. And we have done the follow-ups for them. We have gone to see various authorities, yet to no avail. So right now, the group claims they are going to sleep at the Ministry of Health till our issue is resolved. We have nothing to do again. We've done all our best. And now they want to take the issue up themselves. They are not demonstrating. They are only going to follow up. Until the clearance is gotten, we are not leaving Ministry of Health. Personally, I'm also a psychiatric nurse, and I'm a victim.
So are you sleeping there tonight?
Sure. We are there until our issue has been resolved. If they fail to resolve it for us, we are sleeping there. We have our sponges around. We have things around, everything around, making sure that we are sleeping. Some of us will sleep on the floor if there's nothing around, just to get our issues effectively ameliorated.
Wouldn't you rather petition the sector minister?
In fact, the minister, Honorable Alexander Segbefia, I have met him one-on-one. We've discussed about this issue. He gave us no sure reassurances that we are going to be posted as soon as possible. He gave us some duration. That ultimatum has expired long ago, about a month ago. There's no other plan again, because that's the only people, they are the only people who can solve our issue for us. So we are the ministry. Our people say they are not leaving until the issue is resolved. We have tried to calm them down. We are also pleading with our authorities, our mental health authorities. They should try and then put mass and pressure on government to get our issues solved for us.
You have their backing going to sleep at the ministry?
As for their backing, we can't tell whether we have their backing or not. We have decided to follow up ourselves because our issues, we are those suffering.
Asem Kesee at the Brazilian psychiatric nurses. Over here, almost 70 banner, afedi enradano. Ajibu na inti wonen semi enua bema Emmanuel Gaivo ewo ahomano so ene ntwetwe enkomo. Good morning, apom ti say. Hello, Ima, good morning, apom ti say. Hello. Ima, good morning, apom ti say. Well, I'm saying Ima and Tim in K, but Nina for unemployed psychiatric nurses in Hong Kong and EBD and rather one also summer on the tuja say one not in a fee at in film you know and a man and seminal I be or Muntiminti or Mwasi, more Community of Health now almost a Community of Finance as we may see. Is it? Yeah, Ima Wahamanza. Ima, good morning. I hope to say. Hello, Ima. Good morning. Apom to say. Well, yeah, she said, Ima na Casano. In some way, more textile, textile.
What situation? Where is situation? Be a hard so be in the Babako school. Now, him say psychiatry so there. Any private ones, baby, we gan how because we mukura kwa kopɛ adwuma obɛfo. Oh, aban de ya ɛna wo mbenya bia yo no wa wie school fie mienu ne fani. Na wo nya adwuma. Oh, na wo nya adwuma nyoya. Na no anything. Oh, no anything. Wo nya adwuma nyoya, obɛ de didie. Wo bɛ de no wadidie. Oh, and these are some of the things I feel say no de. Ye yiri ya ho ka ɛbɛboa. Say enney wo bi pɛ adwuma yo wakɔ school nurse ya no aban na ɛso ofa no. Na otumi yɛ adwuma. Na wa wie school na want to me ɛyɛ mfa no. Why I said the end says so far, Momo Yajuma. Now, some men see.
Yeah, was a bit many in your bema, Ima, good morning. Upon to say, hello, Ima. Very unfortunate. I'm saying a woman intimate, but
Ministry of Employment, we will be some year, or Monante or ready because almost 2 years party and papa, and never say because says I not at the end of Koso. Then there was psychiatric necessary, one more etifi. And no one about we were more some health for sanitation. Almost so 80 years, almost in the Juma annual, and the idea, and I don't know the said we want to be made who the Ecoso. We cried the next word, Juma, but I not go. None of the hard gonna say, San Casim Cisia, Nanka, and painful now on the den, Kuna no, and Tempano, Omode, in Chirimu, Ebrea. So, and no boy. That's a big sama. He must out him in car, as Mammy Bussan and say, and idea and Siama, and fear me and Mususe, Munya Juma, and ye, Emmanuel, a spokesperson. Ima, as Mammy Bussan said, good morning. Hello, Ima, out him in car.
I am psychiatric nurses. AV School 2013, I National Service 2014. Since January 2015, so yet you see no posting. It's not been posted to our various facilities. Employment here from government. Meanwhile, you throw another sign agreement, another bond with the government. You see, I follow up since January till now. I follow up started the BI and the posting member. But several times they come in train. Yeah, yes, several times till now. Even from January, anytime we go there. They tell us that we are going next weeks from January to August now. Fine. What even pains us most is your colleagues are more general nursing and our midwives. Clearance no. Their clearance is in, and a majority have been posted to their various place of work. Meanwhile, psychiatric nurses, not even one single person crying your clearance here. Like I say, be posting your they follow up to the Ghana Mental Health Authority and Ministry of Health several times to ascertain why we are still in the house. I colleagues in your post home. And then the answer come back and say, oh, you train, you clean up to back to see, you train for some weeks now. You are coming to several times. Meanwhile, we call national president for Jim Sanonomi called there several times with my executives, all to no avail. And all psychiatric nurses all over the country, Badwam, Ministry of Health. Say, clearance, and yes, I free honum. Now, now, hot the whole day, it's now hot to 10 p.m. and I just and Sana Airport. Yet, I want to be any information. I don't kind of say, still I am going to move back, all that they want to say. All that we wanted is a document, IHSA, and then another China, your clearance and I started a Juma. So we couldn't have any concrete information from them. But we left that place and then. At 10 p.m., now going to your call Ministry of Health. Because now until we get what we want. That is from the psychiatric nurses. Our problem.
I continue and pay up to 10 a year and pay 10 more alcohol.
Yeah, because I pay a call. Yeah, make me look at your quantum a call honum. Now, and then to your conduct on the whole day, and then put a young tuma and a call honum.
Ah. Na montuma mo de call there no mo nya solution panyi ben pa na mo ne kasa e be ma mo solution no there any responsive free abemu any health ministry any Ghana Health Service eba there responsive free oba
se pa so enye se ntuma na ye call my solutions na mom ti say ya bre wo fie de dia ye bi say ma me no scans na ye de na di ya qualifier ANS is ICCC. We are tired of that. Internet we are community. So, the Ministry of Finance are releasing 14,000 clearance. Now, months be 152 psychiatric nurses clearance. And even private nurses clearance. Even some of the private nurses have been posted. Meanwhile, government nurses are signed bond with the government. No, more my clearance. As for the 14,000, we are only 152. Not even a single person have been cleared. And we are demanding for our rights. And one is as simple as that. And we expect the minister and Katano, they are attending to us. Because this one is solely the Ministry of Health. And then Ghana Health Service, because you under mental health authority. You call your authorities on Musi. We should go to the ministry because that is where they are refusing to release their clearance. In this channel, we are there and we are waiting for them to give us the clearance. Else, we are not leaving. Yes, we need to colleagues. Oh, you know, we the same year. Jumana, and to the end, money call home. Your chance are yes, because I'm not my aunt. You don't have to say clearance.
But yeah, party Anna minister, your health minister, I catch it because they're okay. They say more from Montuma Moko down Kopim Sembunya response from the ministry and the minister. Dear party, Moshe, a Sana Montu, we are dear Pana, a minister, and I buy Mupen, catch him.
Very well. Indra say you call home. But before Indra, you call we even had an opportunity to say this means I my some number of weeks say you man now obey when which mind, which was 2 months ago. In going to request for 1 week, and I am man 3 weeks. 3 weeks still nothing better happened. Still I follow up some of clearance and finally nearby. Now clearance number aviano, only clearance number general nurses and a midwife and now other private hospitals. Private nurses, excluding we psychiatric nurses. In Sakwaya Serbia, we have been discriminated as a which is very inappropriate. And now say you call on minister or share office the whole day. Now who say you those who are no or move if you don't want to the car. And I'll call it or giant the ministry left without minister left without telling us anything. PR on now around and also all types of it calming down. They ain't call now you. Now, Yanko the Makata, this is on the place of Mukata and Yanko because they're about several times. This time they'll be out of the claiming clearance. And then to the correction.
I see. Emmanuel Gaivo, main Kase, we are in support, but Montomo Boise, na Munya minister, ne, Messi was a man from mattress, ne, Musunya and Montuma and co-ministry. Your mom pie say, and the minister Benyabre now didn't you move at to Huamamo. Yajitum say, and Yefe, and Yana Quasuno, say Busumi in Fieminu, who be used to Kuna for 1 7 Aqua Bibia, a one, but the Jerry said, nay, Ubanyam Waepa, every minister, or to be Biania, Motomoska crack, so what I say, ma.
But so Matu Afepa, yeah, in some of my documents. ISSA, and then also China, you cannot leave by a Satijuma. The document in some kind of part, in fact, the bad thing, because it's been combat, Sakai Libi, I had better transportation. It's a better honor, and Mumbi seriously a good decision.
Wow, okay. Ima, Yabeda as a spokesperson, my psychiatric nurses, or say, Adiano, or my in the back and forth, sa, a fair no chi sukrano, Ohima, Sikako Mudefa Kakufi, Kribino, and Teledi, or Mobadao, IBBA ministry hall. Kopim say on be nyan krata e dia dance ye say se dia mbotimi akoye adwuma ya assign say monkoye psychiatric nurses ye omudi hu ya on say private ones the kra no amuni aban eni twaka bia che say bond bia ni ho no enya tumi akọ eye ye nyuma no ni aban e wo twaka me kire bond no ye ja na hyemu dia e na nya de we Mr. Minister so Mr. Benfa backdoor say the America no eno ada say hu so maba no wa na otu fa kire honom ana okoye wa mit carry and chrom se sa na tie dia nimnyam for Alex Egbefia Badaroma tie won na tu hu anamo se de se fata na wenzo ambaji ho ewo ye oman Ghana mo na
ora Buhari wo bo ase happy birthday damde ma no na afa e wo se o TV license kintabọ for so my ready so metua na mo famfira se mfi ntabale o mu yo mu nkoni ma no mo nkọ ahyaman Omdu na ni mane asama fo tu aka de omuni problem musu betu aka ade DJ Viber wo oboase anape oboase fo yi amo hwe yi nyina damechia mo oboase de mu fidi yeso efidi mo pa na menua ba ma me kunedu ade epena client service Cine Plus TV wo se men kan kire sosu se be ade na oye ni na wo ya ade a wo bebe bi pa.
All right. Good morning to you all. Omani, please, it's not the nurses alone, but we students of hygiene are also victims. Come September will be our 5 years.
If you know if you do one, we are doing for why compared to my for and now 5 years, you'll bet me they are school for small scale. And I be an 5 years and I was at water. OPK will go so and a permit.
Well, let us see, while as I card or the can see. ɛbrɛ